Hello children, today we are going to learn how to solve numericals based on electric power, especially when you are given the power rating of appliances. So starting with this first question, it is given that there are two bulbs which are marked 60 watt 220 volt and 100 watt 220 volt. These are the power ratings of the bulbs. Now you are asked that which one of the two has higher resistance. Now, whenever you are given the power rating means you are given the potential difference and the power. That is, if this bulb is connected to 220 volt source, it will consume a power of 60 watt. That is, it will consume 60 joules per second of energy. To calculate the resistance of this bulb, we use the formula of power, that is power is equal to V square upon R. From there you can find R is equal to V square by P. You have the value of V and P given in the question. So inserting the two values in V square by P, you get the resistance at as 806.67 ohm. This much is the resistance of first bulb. Similarly, you can find the resistance of second bulb. For that bulb also, the power, for that bulb also, the voltage and the power rating are given in the question. So using those and inserting the values in the formula of R, you get the resistance of second bulb as 484 ohm. So in this question, we found that the 60 watt bulb has higher resistance than the 100 watt bulb. Now let us come to the second question. In this question you are given that there are two bulbs of rating 60 watt 220 volt and 40 watt 220 volt respectively. Now when you connect these two bulbs in series, then you are asked that which one will glow brighter. You are given two bulbs with two different ratings. You need to find that when they are connected in series, which one will glow brighter. So to start with, first of all, in such kinds of questions, you need to find the resistance of each bulb as we did in the previous question. So using the formula R is equal to V square by P, we find that the resistance of first bulb, that is the 60 watt bulb, comes out to be 806.67 ohm, and the resistance of second bulb, that is the 40 watt bulb, comes out to be 1210 ohm. Now these two bulbs are connected in series. So students, to calculate the extent of brightness, please keep in mind the one thumb rule, that is brightness is proportional to the power consumed. The more the power consumed, more is the brightness of the bulb. So here, if we can find the power consumed, we will say which one will glow brighter. More the power, more will be the brightness. So we will calculate the power consumed by each bulb when they are connected in series, and then from that we can infer which one will be brighter. To calculate the power consumed in a series connection, we use the formula P is equal to I square R, since I is the current which remains constant in a series circuit. So we will use the formula P is equal to I square R. From this formula we can see that since I is constant, so power will be proportional to R. That is, more the resistance, more will be the power. And as found above, we have already found the resistances of the two bulbs. As found above, we have seen that the resistance of 40 watt bulb is more than the resistance of 60 watt bulb. You can see here the resistance of 40 watt bulb is 1210 ohms and of 60 watt bulb is 806.67 ohm. So resistance of 40 watt bulb is greater. Hence power of 40 watt bulb will be greater than the 60 watt bulb. And as the thumb rule says, more power means more brightness. That means that in a series connection, the 40 watt bulb will glow brighter. As you can see in the diagram, this is a series connection of 40 and 60 watt bulb. Here we will see that if they are connected like this, the 40 watt bulb will glow brighter than the 60 watt bulb. Now let us come to the second question, the third question I mean. It is the same question as before. Again, we are given that there are two bulbs, the same two bulbs of 60 watt at 220 volt and 40 watt 220 volt. These are the power ratings. But now they are connected in parallel. You need to find out which one will glow brighter. Earlier they were connected in series. Now the same two bulbs are connected in parallel and you need to find out which one will glow brighter. So as the first step in these questions, we will find the resistance of each bulb using V square by P formula, and we will find the resistances of two bulbs as given on the screen, which we have earlier calculated in the previous question also. Now, again using the thumb rule that brightness is proportional to power consumed, here we will again find the power consumed by each bulb when they are connected in parallel. So in a parallel connection, we use the formula for power as P is equal to V square by P, since in a parallel connection, the potential difference or voltage remains constant. So the formula used here will be P is equal to V square by R. Now from this formula, you can see that since V is constant, so power will be inversely proportional to R. That is, lesser the resistance, more is the power consumed. And as found above, we have already found that the resistance of 60 watt bulb is lesser than the resistance of 40 watt bulb. That means the power consumed by the 60 watt bulb is greater than that consumed by the 40 watt bulb. So here we conclude that when the bulbs are connected in parallel, then the 60 watt 220 volt rating bulb will glow brighter than the 40 watt 220 volt bulb. That is, as you can see on the screen, when these two bulbs are connected in parallel, the 60 watt bulb is glowing brighter than the 40 watt bulb. Now let us compare the two situations in one diagram. Here, as we have done in question 2 and question 3, the two bulbs are first connected in series and then they are connected in parallel in the second diagram. So we see here that when the two bulbs are connected in series, then the 40 watt bulb is glowing brighter. But when the same two bulbs are connected in parallel, then the 60 watt bulb is glowing brighter. And all this we have inferred from our calculations. So that is how you solve questions based on power ratings and brightness of bulbs when connected in different combinations. That's all for this class. Thank you.